Yeah, you just have to head up the hill just a bit and you start getting into rattlesnake territory. Temperatures for today warming into the low to mid 70s up and down the valley. Had a bit of a breeze, especially over towards Fairfield. Just a little bit cooler today at 69. Mid to upper 60s for the foothills, 50s up top for the Sierra. The 50s are really starting to melt the snowpack, and there's not much of it. We are only at 50% of normal, so day by day we continue to lose quite a bit of our Sierra snowpack. This is what it looked like back in January. January 31st to be specific, and you can see how much of an extent we had up there. Remember that huge storm that rolled through at the end of January? Well, with these warming temperatures, look at how minimal it is right now. We're losing about a half an inch to an inch of water a day from that snowpack. That is because of the warmer temperatures, obviously, and an early snow melt this year. Usually we're able to hold on to that just a little bit longer, deeper into our dry season, which will fill our reservoirs and our streams. The low pressure system off the coast feeding us with just a hint of cloud cover for tonight. That's going to kind of move its way westward here, not really giving us much in the way of wet weather or a tremendous amount of cloud cover either. Tonight in the Gilmore backyard, we have clear skies. Our readings close to 50 degrees. Pretty pleasant outside for tonight, 44 with clear skies for Tahoe. Our winds, they were gusty earlier today. Now they're down to about 10 miles per hour. Still a bit breezy for Fairfield at 27 miles per hour and Stockton at 17. Foothills, we're looking at winds at about 5 miles per hour. Not much to be concerned about for tomorrow. It was more windy today than, say, what we'll see for tomorrow. Great looking wildflowers out there at the TUOLUMNE River Canyon. The water, though, running pretty low. We're talking about that and we'll continue to do so as we head into that drier part of the season. And thanks to Terry for submitting that to our ABC 10 weather force by uploading it on the ABC 10 app. Pollen count, since we looked at those flowers, just want to hit on this real quick. Medium to high category right through this very warm weekend ahead. High pressure ridge will keep that storm track to the north of us, and our highs, they're back in the 80s. That'll be about 10 degrees above average. Tomorrow we'll see highs once again in the 50s to near 60 for the Sierra, 60s and 70s for much of the foothills. 5-day forecast, it's sunshine pretty much right across the board. A few clouds on Monday, but that's about it. Highs across the coast will be in the 50s. As we head inland, we're back into the 70s, and we'll see that region-wide. Cool morning start, though. Look at that for Lodi, 41 degrees. Same for Turlock, and we'll see some 30s in there sprinkled around, like Davis at 39 with an afternoon high of 76, 73 for Folsom, and 75 for Roseville. 10-day forecast, we get a couple of 70s in there, and then mostly 80s right through the next 10 days.